Hello guys, welcome to this video. We are going to look at how you can pass the GoTranscript exams so that you can start make money online, okay? So once you create an account, and guys, I always say this, make sure you click join as a transcriber so that you create a transcriber account and not a client account, okay? So once you do that, you're going to click apply now. You're going to select your language. I will select English because I want to proceed with English, okay? So this is the must complete questions, and you must score 100% for you to proceed, okay? So we are going to look at these questions. There will be a mixture of grammar questions and guideline questions. So make sure you read the GoTranscript guidelines. All these guidelines here, make sure you read them, okay? They are going to help you to pass the must complete quiz. So question 1, which sentence or sentences are correctly capitalized and punctuated? So they want to see your grammar. Jack tried. This one is small letter, which is wrong. This one is small letter, which is wrong. Let's come to this. Jack tried a new diet but still gained weight. So that is correct. Jack tried a new diet, but he still gained weight. So this one is also correct because it has a he, so you can put a comma. Yes. So number 2, what do you have to do when a person agrees on something by saying yep or okay? So all that must be written as yes and okay. Okay. Yes. So number 3, if there is a word that you cannot hear due to heavy background noise, what do you have to do? You write inaudible. You write inaudible. You don't try to guess and you don't paraphrase it, okay? So a transcriber should italicize, should italicize song title, song titles, have to italicize TV and radio programs as well as foreign expressions, okay? So the Bible you don't italicize, social media sites you don't italicize, parts of sacred writings. So number 5, he dash my brother. He is my brother. Number 6, how should the name of the films, books, magazines, song titles, artworks, plays, TVs, and radio programs, foreign expressions look like in the transcription? So they should be italicized. So this is the same as question 4. Which of the following slang words or spoken contractions should be transcribed in a clean verbatim file the way it is said? Slang words or spoken contractions. Therefore, spoken contractions should not be changed, okay? Number 8, if a speaker spells the word, how will it look in the transcription? So you normally use hyphens. I dash a good student. I was a good student. I am a good student. Number 10, I met Jane in Lithuania. So confirm whether all the questions are correct by going through them again. Now let's click continue or confirm so that we check whether we have passed all the questions. So as you can see, guys, we have passed the must complete quiz, and we are in the next part, which is the audio test. Okay, so I'm going to transcribe this text, and we are going to go through it together and see how it should be written. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, I have finished transcribing the audio, and let's see about it. Okay, so
This audio was used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
I've often wondered what would happen if I just ad-libbed a test rather than writing it out and trying to insert potential errors for potential transcribers like yourself. Would it really be anything than writing it out? And I've often wondered what would happen if I just ad-libbed a test rather than writing it out and trying to insert potential errors for potential transcribers like yourself. Would it really be any different than just making it nice and structured? I don't think so, and here's why. Ad-libbing is a time-honored tradition amongst, let's say, 1,500 stand-up comics and rappers of historical notes such as Burt Reynolds, Jerry Seinfeld, and MC8. You know, known as the MCs from the Ryan Rocky had a big argument a few years ago about the word "can," which Ryan wanted to try for. Unfortunately for him, MCO used it a lot. Unfortunately for him, which Ryan wanted to try for. Unfortunately for him, MCO used it a lot. There's even a book about the whole thing called MC8.
So guys, you need to research the book to know the exact title of that book. So as you can see here, I've researched the book, and you can see the real MC8. You know, I spelled 8, that's because that's what I had, but the results, they say this is the real the correct word. Okay, and then here you can see here. Yeah, so it's always good to Google so that you have the correct word. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, and just FYI, there's a hard and fast rule in the GoTranscript guidelines not to use exclamation marks. But the one exception that removes the rule is if it's part of a media title such as a book or movie. Other examples include room, and that when you're doing, you're also supposed to italicize media titles. And one of the big displays when there's a name or a so we don't do that. I'm really going to kick back some of the applications we get, but some of them they really talk about the name. Did you know that transcripts simply permit users to use any kind of AR and either take it as or delete code? It's true. And just like maybe kick off faster than double smart light. In the year 2000, AI didn't even exist, and yet it is 2000 people were already thinking about it as a possibility. One last thing before I finish this test. Sometimes I ask you to answer a question that you're really impressed. And I'm going to do that here as well. You must answer it in order for your test to even be considered. Now, answering it doesn't mean you'll pass, but it does mean that I will at least look at your test. The question in this test is, what do you think would be a good question for us to ask next time? Just put the answer right below this paragraph, but before the outro. Thanks.
So as you can hear, this is my answer. This is my answer. This is my answer. Make sure yours is different. So make sure yours is different so that they can verify you're not a robot trying to fill out the application, okay? Yes, so this is my text. This is my text. I'm not saying it's 100% correct, but I'm saying this is what they expect from you. Make sure you don't, I will discourage you from copy pasting. I will discourage you from copy pasting this text because GoTranscript have developed their software and they know, yeah, if they find out a certain text has been used by several people, they may, start, you'll fail automatically, okay? So I would also urge you guys to type in these text word by word, because if you copy and paste, their software will detect that you have not typed any word. You just pressed Control V. So it's always advisable you type in this text word by word, okay? And you put the punctuations as per your taste. There's no strict rule on punctuations. You put it where you feel is appropriate, so you can change mine so that it can suit your transcript, okay? Or your transcript, okay? Yeah, so because we cannot all punctuate the same, so and GoTranscript, they know that, and you are not penalized for punctuation, okay? Yeah, so this is the text. This is the text, and I am hoping that you guys pass. It is my hope that you guys pass. I'll be doing more videos like this. And I will also be updating you if I have passed a particular test, okay? I am already in the GoTranscript team, and that's why I found it necessary to share such videos, because I find a lot of people are asking, are saying that getting into GoTranscript team is quite difficult. So that's why I'm making these videos to help you guys out there, so that you can have an opportunity, to make money online, okay? I'd advise you to read the guidelines carefully. Don't be in a hurry to finish the exam. This exam is not timed, and you can do this, in as many hours as you want. Just make sure it is perfect, okay? Yes, so please like this video. If you found it educative, if you found it useful, and so that it can reach many people out there, okay? There are many people who need such help, and you liking this video helps a lot, okay? So guys, see you in the next one, and goodbye.